The strike at Mercy Hospital of Buffalo continues for a sixth day. Catholic Health and the CWA returned to the negotiating table yesterday, and those conversations continued today. Good evening, I'm Mary Alice Demler.
And hello again, I'm Scott Levin. Now, earlier this afternoon, Catholic Health spoke to reporters about how those negotiations went. And to your side's Rob Hackford was at that news conference today, and he's live now with the latest. Hello, Rob.
Yeah, Scott and Mary Ellis, this is the first time that we heard from Catholic Health CEO and President Mark Sullivan since the strike at South Buffalo Mercy Hospital began. While, as you mentioned, both parties are back at the negotiating table, the scene outside the hospital really hasn't changed since this weekend and earlier this week. Still a tense scene at that. CWA union members continue their picket and are calling for the CEO to step down. Their number one demand is still safe staffing ratios, so nurses and other staff aren't caring for an excess of patients. Sullivan started his press conference by addressing patient levels at South Buffalo Mercy and said that there are 132 people receiving care right now and just over a dozen being admitted daily. Well, in regards to negotiations, Sullivan added he's encouraged that they've resumed and highlighted the 258 full-time associates that Catholic Health is proposing to hire and the pay raises included in their deal, well, the details of which haven't changed since last week. So I asked Sullivan this.
Did you feel there was a sense of progress or a sense of, improvement towards where things stood on Friday or even Monday and Tuesday?
Absolutely. Do you know why? Both parties were at the table. Both parties are committed to the patients they serve, and both parties were talking. You may not measure progress that way, but I do, given the events of the last 6 days.
So no changes to that deal for now. We did reach out to the union for their response to negotiations resuming. They didn't have anything to say as of about 4 o'clock, but if we do hear back, we'll provide you an update on WGRZ.com and on the air. At South Buffalo Mercy Hospital, Rob Hackford, Channel 2 News.